A security breach at Nationwide Insurance put 1 million identities at risk.
The company says criminals attacked its network in October, but victims are just finding out if their personal information was compromised. As On Your Side consumer advocate Jen Strathman explains, nearly 30,000 Ohioans are impacted.
Jerry Doan couldn't believe the letter that arrived in his mailbox from Nationwide Insurance.
Scared the crap out of me.
The letter said Jerry's social security number and possibly his driver's license number and date of birth were stolen. The 5 On Your Side investigators found 29,000 letters were sent out in Ohio to policyholders and those who don't even do business with Nationwide.
I had them give me an estimate on my new car insurance.
Shopping around for insurance is a great money-saving tool, but it also put Jerry at risk for identity theft.
Do you think companies are doing enough to protect your personal information?
Not at all. Not at all.
Nationwide Insurance hasn't announced the breach publicly, opting instead to send letters to victims. The last of the notifications should be arriving in mailboxes any day.
To me, it was like a newsworthy instance where everybody should know this.
In South Carolina, Oklahoma, Georgia, and California, the insurance commissioner announced the breach, but Ohio's commissioner hasn't issued a warning. The state told the 5 On Your Side investigators it's working with Nationwide and monitoring the situation. Victims should sign up for credit freezes or the free credit monitoring and identity theft protection offered by Nationwide.
I don't think a year is long enough, because in a year and a half it could happen and they're starting to go through that list and just start popping names and stuff out there like that, and I could be one of them.
Even if your identity is not compromised, every consumer should also check their credit report once a year. It's free through annualcreditreport.com. On Your Side, Jen Strathman, News Channel 5.
While you can get your credit report for free once a year, there are ways to keep tabs on it year-round for free. Jen explains how to do that on newsnet5.com. And if you don't have access to a computer, call 1-877-322-8228 to request a copy.